Sarah loves her peaceful early mornings, sipping coffee as the sun rises, while Alex is the quintessential night owl, hitting the snooze button repeatedly. Their mornings usually clash, with alarm clocks and groggy exchanges setting a comedic scene. One day, Sarah decides enough is enough and lands upon a quirky idea. She sets Alex's alarm to a music playlist featuring songs he can't help but dance to, luring him out of bed. Amused and unable to resist, Alex wakes up to join her morning ritual, forming a new bonding routine that, while imperfect, works just fine for them.